Alright, so back at it with hopefully the final thing here with this fan repair in this laptop. So as in my other videos I showed earlier where I took the 5 volts off of one of the USB jacks. Just follow this red line and hook it up to the fan. So I just want to show the speed of this fan at 5 volts. Alright, the fan is 5 volts. But the one is spinning so fast all the time. That would mean excess dust. It is cooling. Right? Without the fan, I can't put my finger on this like this. It'll be really hot. So I just want to show how we connected direct. I'm sure I put in a resistor. Don't even know what value resistor put there. Just got a resistor. And just to slow down the fan there. So I'll put the resistor in line. Right, so I have the resistor in line as I can see here. Alrighty. And the fan is spinning, but at a slower speed. Alright. And did test it before and it stayed nice and cool. So if I check the voltage, it's probably broke it down to probably maybe somewhere close to 3 volts. So like 5 volts to have the fan spinning that fast. So I think that is it. Now to cover up this laptop and she's back running.